Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. How about making some instant Farali dosas today? Sounds interesting, isn't it? So we'll be using barnyard millet flour and buckwheat flour. These flours will be mixed with yogurt, which will give it the sourness, required sourness, so you don't have to ferment. Immediately you can make the dosas and enjoy. I had also posted the Farali Chutney recipe. You can check it out. And today we'll make some potato masala also without any onion, with little bit of flavoring added to it to serve with dosas. So shall we proceed to make and enjoy our Farali dosas? Farali instant dosas made with barnyard millet flour, which is samak ke chawal ka atta, and buckwheat flour, which is kuttu ka atta. These are fermented with yogurt and set aside for 10-15 minutes, and you can enjoy the instant dosas on your Farali days, fasting days. These are served with coconut, peanut and coriander chutney, dry coconut peanut powder, chutney powder, and potato masala. So these are the ingredients: about 1 cup of barnyard millet flour or samak ki chawal ka atta, kuttu ka atta, equal quantity 1 cup, which is buckwheat flour, and yogurt about half cup, half to 3/4 cup as required. Some salt, Sendha namak or rock salt, and water as required. Now let's mix all these together. Put them in a mixing bowl or a pan. Add the salt. Mix the flours first. Once the flours and salt is mixed together, add the yogurt. Whisk it, adding sufficient water. It should be pouring consistency like how we have the normal dosa batter. I had posted the chutney video some time back. You can check out the links in the description box. I did not combine those here because the video will be very long. Whisk it to a smooth batter. Now this is done. We'll cover it and set it aside for 15 minutes or so. Meanwhile, let us make the potato masala. Here are the ingredients. I've taken boiled potatoes, 5 or 6, or take as you need, and little bit of coriander, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. These can be skipped if you want. And cumin seeds, half teaspoon, salt to taste, rock salt. First crush the potatoes with your hand. Crush them roughly. Some chunks should remain, some should be mashed. This is how the potatoes are crushed for the dosa masala. This is done now. Let's proceed to make it. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the cumin seeds. Let them crackle. If you consume mustard seeds, you can add those also, and curry leaves if you wish. Add the turmeric powder and the green chilies, slit green chilies. Now dip in the crushed potato. Add salt, rock salt as required, and give it a nice stir. Now green chilies can be increased also. You can add a lot of them. I am adding just slit green chilies because my family doesn't eat spicy food. If you want, you can chop them finely and add plenty of them if you are a chili lover. Now add the cumin powder and give it a stir. Once this is mixed, pour little 3 to 4 tablespoons of water so that the masala gets nicely cooked. It's ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Now the masala is done. It takes 5 minutes to prepare this. Dish it out and set it aside. Now let's proceed to make dosas. Mix the batter nicely. Now take a dosa pan, sprinkle little water and wipe it with a cloth. Pour little batter, about 2 ladles, and spread it. Heat should be low while you are pouring and spreading it. Spray some oil on it, or you can even spoon a little bit of desi ghee. Now at this stage, maintain the flame on medium so that dosa gets nice and crispy and cooked well inside. Once one side is done, carefully flip it. You can put little oil on the other side as well. Oil or ghee, whatever you like. Lovely color. Dosa is done now. Remove it in a plate. Repeat the same thing. Sprinkle water, wipe it, and then spread the batter. Make some sada dosas, and now let's make, with this dosa we are going to make masala dosa. So you can check out the chutney recipes in the description box. Flip the side. Let it cook a little bit. Turn it and sprinkle some dry peanut chutney powder on it. Put some potato masala in the center. Fold the dosa. And here your masala dosa is ready. This way you make and enjoy this Farali dosas on one of the days. So different menu on some days, it's good for a change. Enjoy them with these chutneys, Farali chutneys. I'm sure your family is going to love these Farali dosas. Don't they look so tasty and tempting? Who can ever say no to irresistible dosas like this? So make and enjoy. Happy Navratras to all of you. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.